Hi. So if you're editing a video and you've dropped your video material in your sequence and you want to change the aspect ratio of the sequence to fit Instagram standards, here's how you can do that. So in your project, locate your sequence. This is the clip and this is the sequence. You can see that by that little icon in the right. You can see this is like a film reel, and that's the actual clip, and this, it looks like a timeline on your playhead. So that's the sequence. We can right click on the sequence and we have sequence settings. In sequence settings, you can see your frame size, the vertical and the horizontal, and you can see your aspect ratio. Now, Instagram has by default three aspect ratios that it works with. One is 4:5, one is 1:1, one is 9:16, and one is 1.91 over 1. So for the square format, you can put something like 1080 by 1080. That's a 1:1 format. For a landscape, you want to use something like 1080 by 556. Sorry, not 556, 566. That's a landscape format. That's the 1.91 over 1. And for something like a vertical format, you can use 1080 by 1350. That's the 4:5 format. And we're left with the standard 9:16 format. If this is 1080p, we were in 720p, but 1920 by 1080 is the standard for HD video. That's 69. If you just reverse those numbers, then you get 9:16. You just click OK. It's gonna cut off parts of your videos, so there you go. It's just gonna scale it down and fit it into that size, ready for Instagram. Now if you want, you can go to effects controls and bump up the scale if you wanted to cover the full aspect ratio, but that's up to you. That's a creative decision. Good luck.